Hi, my name's Darren Casey and I'm the Product Development Director for Aurora Lighting. So today's Ask Aurora question is, are your fire rated downlights quick and easy to install? So this is our A6 Pro fire rated downlight, 6 watt, 600 lumens, and it features our rapid wire connection system. So the advantage of this is that we have loop in, loop out latching terminals. So we take our cables from the ceiling and we simply push them in and immediately latched in. So this is the loop out cable and immediately latched in. So close the cap to create the cable grip, then back to the distribution board or consumer unit, do the necessary testing. So you only have to connect the cables once, you don't have to use a separate terminal block, you just use the rapid wire connection system. You then install the downlight. Done. So the other advantage is that our existing faster fix connection system, so if you happen to already have that installed, that also fits directly into the A6 Pro. So very quick and simple installation for our A6 Pro range of fire rated downlights.